by looking at the DNA is that the ancestral iguana reached Galapagos and there must have been very little vegetation. Look at the mockingbird dandies right there. There must have been very, very little vegetation then, but a lot of these rich algae beds along the coastline. So the marine iguana evolved first. So this ancestral iguana gave rise to the marine iguanas. And then later on, as the island became colonized by vegetation and more suitable, a small group of these marine iguanas probably branched off and became land iguanas once more. The pink iguana, before the other land iguanas came, they had one more branch, which is the pink land iguana. So it's a very ancient iguana, and it split from the marine iguanas before the rest of the land iguanas did. And then later on, a small group became land iguanas, and they split between the different islands. Santa Fe is one species, and recent genetic research into the other species has shown that it's actually 4 distinct genetic populations. So there might be as many as 4 species of this land iguana.
So that they've been able to mutate to adapt and then mutate back again.
It's going to be on the moon.
We're not really back, it never goes back, but into land iguanas again. It's not the same land iguana, the one that arrived here. It's a completely different land iguana, but yes.
Why pink? Does it blend in with something up there?
No one really knows.
Bird to my left.
They've only just discovered it. There's only 70 of them. And they were first sighted, they were first reported of really weird looking iguana up there 10 years ago when some park wardens who were doing some work
Oh, he's maneuvering the
and they went up there and they reported
foliage right in front of me.
funny pink looking iguanas. And the head of science at the time said, oh, there must just be a strange mutation or maybe some iguanas infected by vapors from a volcano or something. But now when they went back, it was actually an Italian group from the Sapienza University in Rome. And found a completely different species.
How do they determine that it is a completely different species?
They look at the amount of variation in the genetic material.
So they take samples of genetic.
Yes, it's all done by phylogenetic sampling. They look at it's all very complicated. I read papers on it. I didn't understand a word. But there are basically certain parts of the DNA and the RNA which are very conservative, which don't change from one generation to the other. But every once in a while, every certain amount of years, there are mutations in that, and you can pretty much tell how closely related species are by how similar these conservative segments of DNA and RNA are. But depending on how many differences, you can more or less guess how many years there are. It's very, very simplistic. But it's called molecular clock technique. Okay. Yeah. You can't do that. He's there now. But I mean, the tortoises, they're so strong. They can easily
I don't think they love me that.
No. Yeah. Yes. They think I've not seen, like, I've seen photos. They look a little bit different. The shape of the picture. But otherwise, they're about the same.
They all look the same.
And then
It's a turtle head. Looks like E.T.
Are they all a little bit different? Are they like fingerprints? So this is a little bit different to his. So.
Porque por eso se le calcula 2 horas, por todo eso. Eso se ponía en el pelo. Yo no sé, lo que yo utilizaba en el colegio cuando tenía goma.
I'd love to go to the
It's now, unfortunately, taken over by the Nazis. They opened up the democratic process.
little pets for the
Oh,
children.
really?
When he said the whole dictator was the dictator, he preserved it for a good 12 years from
Yeah.
young to old administration.
Yeah.
That's what happened to them. And for the locals, it's really added quality of life as they see it. Really sad to see from an outsider's perspective. Yeah. Sort of like lost frontiers in a sense. That one.
It's huge. We have so many places that are taken by humans. We need to leave some which are, well, then especially something like, special places like that.
That's right.
Darwin is uninhabited.
It's uninhabited, so that's really nice.
Yeah.
But you still have massive numbers of tourists.
No, no.
They're not being
Not unless you're in their way when they want to go somewhere.
It's kind of further away from there, but a lot of those trips
El espectáculo solo se ve aquí. Alimentando.
E.T. copied himself.
Que abrir para introducir.
Where do we know they have to?
Ah, rico. Hay más por aquí. Date la vuelta. ¿Sí? Ahí se da la vuelta. ¿Cómo saben que la vuelta?
endearing traits of animals.
Hay que meter retro.
Sobre la comida.
Estas son como las 4x4.
Con hambre. Es como si el casco le quedara grande.
Sí, está bien vieja, sí, ve la piel bien arrugada ya.